Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat streaks not updating on your iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, Snapchat needs a strong and stable connection to update streaks. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Next, change Snap directly, not chat. Only Snap count for streaks, not chat message or stories. Make sure you are sending Snap photos or videos to your friends every 24 hours. Next, close and reopen the Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Snapchat to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and check your streak. Next, update the Snapchat. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat and tap Update if available. Updates often fix its streak related box. Finally, contact Snapchat support. If all else fail, open Snapchat, go to settings, then tap on I need help, then contact us and report the streak issue. They can restore streaks if needed. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat streak not updating on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.